like the nose. Hi guys, my name is Lilly Anna and this is my brother Levi. Today I'm going to show you how to make Santa from the cups and a snowman made from balloons. Before I show you to make Santa, could you please subscribe to my channel LLL Playhouse? Please. Our channel has videos that play game, craft, DIY, and more creative things. First thing you need red cup and red paper. First, you need to cut the paper for Santa's hands, but my mom already cut and fold already. And two for the hand and two for the leg. Now we need the skin color for Santa's face and circle, so cut it a circle and find something to trace around and cut. Now we need two googly eyes this size. How do I look? Funny? Now, my mom Audrey glued it for me. But now all I have to do is stick it on the paper for Santa's eye. I stick right here. And I also stick right here. But Santa has googly eyes because the eyes are made from googly eyes. It's googly, 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 googly. Now we need pom-pom. What color do you like, guys? What kind of pom-pom you like? What color? Look nice. I think I like that one. I like pink. You choose pink. Now I'm gonna glue it for the nose right here in the middle of the eye. Just right here. See? And it's only one pom-pom only. See, Levi? How do you think? But it's not down yet. This googly eye looks super smart. Now we need cotton. White ones for Santa's mustache. Look at me. I have mustache. See? Look at me, Levi. Do you like it? Is it funny? But now I'm gonna glue it. My mom already glued for me already. All I have to do is put it right here. Later, we'll do the beard like this. But we still need the cotton. We put the beard. Look, I have a beard. I'm like Santa. and my mom already glued for me already. I also know where to glue. All I have to glue is a glue right here. See? Is that cute? So, all you need to do is stick it on the cup. You find a red cup and and make sure it's upside down and glue it right here. I'll just glue it right here, right over here. You see, guys? Next, we need you have to find a red piece of paper and cut it like a circle like this. And make sure you cut a little half, just a little half. Don't do the whole half. You know why we have to cut it like this? It's because we have to fold this in the bottom and then keep folding like this. Very, very creative. It's like a cone. See? To Santa hat.
Oh.
See, when you glue it looks like this, and Santa hat look like this. So you have to make the cotton like this. If you know, it's good. And then glue it right here. And my mom already glued for me already, like a line. So, what I need is I need this hat. We did, and then glue it right here. My mom already glued again. And then we glue it right over here. See? But we're not done yet. The last part is we do the belt and the leg. And now we need 2 pieces of red paper. You cut it. Don't forget to fold it to be Santa's hands. Right here. If you don't know how to fold it, you fold like this. Like this. Ta-da! And then unfold it like this. The same thing to the other. We're gonna glue it right here to make the hands, Santa's hands. Next, we need a white piece of paper, cut it like this, and draw Santa's mittens, and then cut it to make Santa's mittens. We glue it on the hand right here. See? The mitten looks like this. You have to be a good drawer and cut to follow your drawing. I cut and glue the drawing already. And then I glue it right over here on the hands. And see, the next step is we're going to do the leg. After the leg, we're going to do the belt. And this is how it looks like when it's done. And now we need the leg. So it's almost the same like the hands, but a little bit more different. So all we need is we need a red piece of paper and cut and fold it like this, the same folding, like this.
But it's longer and bigger, right?
Yeah, it's longer and bigger. Let's see how much longer.
Stick it inside the cup.
Yep, right here. But then we already have the leg already. But now we need the boot for him because he got boots. So we need to draw the boot and then stick it. His black boot, so we need black piece of paper and stick it right on the legs right here. See, guys? Now we're done with the boots already. Now we need the black belt. It's the last part. But after that, our video is not done yet. Now we're gonna do the black belt. So for now, we need a black piece of paper and cut it long and skinny like this. And then we need this. We need a white piece of paper and cut it like this. If you don't know how, you just fold it like this and cut. And when you open it up, it looks like this. Very creative, right? And then we're gonna glue it right here and stick it right into Santa. Now we're done with Santa that made from cup. But then I'm going to show you how to make the snowman made from balloons. Yes. Look at me. Now I'm going to show you how to make the snowman from the balloon. So you need the one big one and one small one. And you also have to find the white one and blow it. You know why we need the big one And the small one is because we need the big one for the body and the big one for the face.
The small one for the face.
Yeah, the small one for the face. We're gonna put it on top to make a snowman. Aww, now my little sister, baby sister, comes to join with me. I really want to kiss her so bad. Oh. Guys, this is my little sister. Her name is Lydia. Oh, cutie pie! Now, we're gonna do the eyes for the face. We're gonna do the face first. We're gonna glue it right here. My mom glued for me already. We're gonna use googly eye because googly eye is more easier.
We glue it on the big one or on the small one?
Small one. Now I'm done. This is cool. Look, it's making sound. Do you hear it, guys? Oh, it doesn't drop though. Now we need the red piece of paper. Cut it like a circle, and then we cut it half like this. Boom! See, it looks like this. Now, after we cut it in half, we're going to fold it to make it a snowman nose. We're going to do this. See? It has to look like this. It has to.
You can make it smaller and use it kind of too.
Okay. Then it looks like this. See? I'm a snowman. Now you glue the nose right here. After you glue the nose, it's time to put the mouth, the black mouth, right here. Cut it like this. Now we're done with the snowman faces. Now it's time to do the body. Look, I'm a snowman. Before we stick the body with the head, we have to do the button first. Okay? Put it right here.
You need to cut the black paper.
Yeah.
Circle like that.
Yeah. We do the hand next. So all we have to do is fold like this. See? Until it looks like this. And now we bring it back and it looks like this. For you to do it already, you have to do it like me. So you have to stick the hand right here on both of the sides. And then next, you have to draw the mittens and take the white piece of blank paper and then stick it right here. Draw it, cut it, and stick it right here. You see the mittens? You glue it right on the hand, both of the sides. Next, we're gonna glue the body and the head right to each other. Oh,
Lydia's here.
yeah, she is the most adorable. I love you. I love you. Mwah. You're so cute. Mwah. Ta-da! After you glue it, it becomes like this.
Oh, so cool.
Yeah. You know what part I like the best? I like the nose. snowman, and this one is a snow woman. I like the snow woman's hat. So beautiful. You like it, Lydia? You know, if you have the long balloon, you can make it like this. If you don't, you could just make like this, a folding paper one. It doesn't matter, either one. They both look cute. They look the same. Hope you guys could do it. It's easy and fun to do it. Even the Santa Cup, it's easy to do it. Hope you guys could do it during the Christmas time. And enjoy the holiday. But don't forget to subscribe and share my video, please. Happy holiday. Bye, guys.